welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a highly requested video on how I make my t-shirt labels. So if you find my videos helpful, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below with questions, tips, or just to say hi. Okay, let's get into the video. So here I am in Cricut Design Space. I'm going to go ahead and upload my logo. I have videos showing step by step on how to upload an image. Here is my logo. I'm going to size it 1.5 in width and 1.138 in height. And now I'm going to duplicate it 5 times for the 5 different sizes that I'm going to use. Okay, now for the font, I'm going to use Sign Painter for the letters. The size of the letters is 0.438 in width and 0.38 in height. And when I attach it, it's 1.5 in width and 1.5 in height. Here I'm going to select all of them and duplicate them 5 more times. So now I'm just lining them up. And changing them to the color vinyl that I'll be using. So now that I've hit make, I'm going to go ahead and mirror the whole project. And I'm going to select Everyday Iron On. Now I can send it over to my Cricut machine. Here I'm just prepping the mat, getting ready for the cut. So this is the lighting board that I use on and off throughout the weeding process. It's just to make sure that I don't miss any pieces. This is just me giving you a visual of how it works in the dark. This is a very cool device to use. I'll leave the info in the description. Oh yeah, don't judge me. I use masking tape to catch all the scraps. So here is the final look from the weeding process. So I've turned the mini press on high. And now I'm going to get the t-shirt out. And I use Bella Canvas because they have the tearaway tags. So what I usually do is cut off the sides and just leave the instructions on. So here I'm just going to preheat to get the moisture out. And now I'm going to press it for about 30 seconds. Now I have my own custom labeled t-shirt. If you want to see more videos like this, start by clicking the video on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.